Look at that. We'll put in their water.
Really? Not again.
Okay, I think it's fine. Can you remember where we put the agates?
No.
You can't. Let's take this basket and we go put those agates in the basket.
I think it's not enough.
Not enough. What is that? A shongololo?
Yes, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Is it not there?
It is dead.
No, I think it moved. Look at that.
It moved. It's not dead.
No, it's not dead, but it's squashed at the back. Which one do you want to cut?
The biggest one. Which one is the biggest one?
I don't know, just pick any one there. That one.
Just that.
Okay, come show it to the camera. Okay, this is an agate. Alright. So what do you see? Do you see anything inside?
No.
It's completely
We
closed.
must cut it.
You have to cut it to see something inside. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to cut this agate first. But you need to move here. You're going to get wet here. Come stand there where Oma is. Alright. There we go. I think we're going to go through here. Look at that. Huh? Can you believe it? Look like that. And then
It's a striped agate.
it's a striped agate. Huh?
Wow.
But she wants this one cut. She wants to see how it looks inside. Okay, so this is a type of a conglomerate. We don't exactly know how it looks inside. It's not going to be as pretty as the agate. So we're going to cut this piece of conglomerate. Where do you want me to cut it? Through there? There. Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
Look at that. It's nice, eh? Okay, yeah, pick us another one. Here's another one. Is this water?
Wait. I don't know what's inside of it.
This one is a secret. Okay, so what we have here
Is a red rock.
a complete nodule,
Jou mag soep jy maak.
a red one, and we don't know what's inside.
Dit lyk soos 'n carnelian.
Yeah, so let's go.
Okay?
All right. So you can reveal it. Nice. Okay. Then look at that. Huh?
The other side is like just red in the middle, but that one is a little bit of blue.
Yeah, look at this, huh? Isn't it stunning?
Wow, this piece is like almost matching my
Almost
scarf
matching your
also.
scarf again. This one you can't even see what's inside. What about this one? Let's do this one. Look here.
Okay. Oh my goodness, maybe it's gonna be red in the inside.
Who knows, huh? How's that?
Oh, it's like a volcano that's splashing up into the air.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's quite cool, huh?
don't you see? It looks like crystals over here.
It has crystals over there.